welcome back to another vlog. We are currently in London again. I'm super thrilled because this is my birthday trip. My husband gave this to me as a present, and it's also December. That means we're gonna see London with Christmas lights, and it's even more beautiful. It's the first time for my husband seeing all that. But yeah, we're ready. We're going to hit the city now because we just arrived and we're super hungry, but I can't wait to show you guys around. So turned out Rich and I ended up at the wrong el&n coffee again. I mean, not again. Last time we ended up at the el&n coffee at the Prompton Road, I think. But only because the brunch place that we had a reservation was closed. They didn't even cancel us. They weren't open. But anyways, we're at the wrong place. It's still cute here, but I think if we got time, we're trying to find the real one because there's another one and it looks so awesome. I can show you pictures. Even better, if I find it, I show you guys. Okay babe, tell me what this is.
Sunflower.
Your drawings?
Yeah, I'm leaving there.
Okay, go. Rich and I standing in line for the telephone booth. Take a picture in front of this. Like everyone on Instagram.
Why not?
Oh my god guys, it's so cold and I'm just wearing a thin shirt. Thank god I ordered those fake stockings that is with fillings, right?
They're like thick thermal stockings. It looks like regular stockings, but it's not.
Yeah, but thank god I'm wearing them because
It's what Tom Brady wears.
it's literally freezing cold, and I mean during the day it's warm because the sun is out, but now black night.
Yeah.
And my hands are freezing. Yeah, we're just gonna take a few more pictures and then probably find a place to warm up.
We're gonna check this out.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year.
So guys, Rich and I stopped at Starbucks because like I said before, we were freezing. And I warmed up my hand with a latte macchiato. And now we just walked 1 kilometer, still walking to the Leicester Square. There's a Christmas market. Also, we have to find a plug for our phone because we were so prepared. We brought 2 UK plugs, but no plugs for our phones. And that's something definitely we have to find because otherwise we are a Christmas tree. Alright, we found so many cool things, but I feel like they're more expensive than the things they sell at the Warner Brothers studios, and they're like cool ornaments that I would want for my tree. But my mom's tree is unique in her own way. And we don't want to mess with it. That's why I think coming back here again once we move out and have our own Christmas tree. Very Harry Potter themed. But now we're in Chinatown. We are walking to Wing Wing. I've been waiting for this since April. Look at his face. But it's so good. It's the best chicken wings I've ever had in my whole life.
You need to have more chicken wings.
Well, I used to like Chick-fil-A, but yeah, but since they took out the chili, like the spicy, yeah, the spicy ones are the good ones.
I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep it true? I've been just picking up.
Ricky's the choreographer now.
Think about how can I keep it true? 헤어지자고 아침부터 you've been going through my phone. My that Bible, yeah, I got problems popping bottles.
Alright guys, I'm so glad that I found that club/bar. It was amazing. It was lit. There are so many people. It was packed as fuck. We couldn't even walk besides the balls. I'm lit. Richie's lit. But we're heading home now. Maybe we're trying another club tomorrow. But we see. Depends on how much we walk tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. But anyways, I'm going to sleep now. See you guys tomorrow in the morning. Good morning guys to day 2 of our London trip. I'm fully charged with energy and ready. Richie's ready too. He's waiting for me. We're about to head to the Ivy in Chelsea. They have beautiful Christmas decoration there. We're not gonna eat them there because in a little bit we're having an appointment at the Wizardy afternoon tea, and I'm so excited because you know I'm a Harry Potter fan. I like everything sci-fi, magical, what is not real with this world. But I'm excited, and later on we're going to the Hyde Park. They have the Winter Wonderland, and today I'm prepared, wearing my thick jacket, having my gloves here because we were freezing yesterday and I don't really want to get sick when I get home. It's crazy cold and it's only 9 a.m.
Where's the sunday?
It's coming. I believe in it. I hope so. Only 11, but it feels like we've been traveling through whole London already. And we are now on our way to the arcane wizard afternoon tea. So excited. Bad bitch witch is coming out. Anyways, we're walking there. It's only a 6-minute walk and I'm already out of breath. Here's Chinatown. I'm home.
As high as you can. And you give it a little swirl. That's your summoning spell.
Perfecto.
all crispy, so you can just add as much as you like. Just enough to make one.
So we take jasmine first. Only a little bit. And then roseback. You want to eat something? Ta-da! How is the macaron? With the dragon blood. Asian. Our visit tea time is over, but it was amazing. You guys definitely have to come here. It's worth it. They have also potion mixing classes. I loved it. Richie ate all the sweets. Now he's a huge afternoon tea fan. He plans to do his own tea at home.
I made pretty good tea.
Yeah. Next year I'm going to do a pink-green Christmas tree or very vegan Christmas tree with chilies. After Christmas we're going to use it for chili con carne.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah.
Burning.
The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody.
Oh my god. It's sold out.
It's sold out.
They sold out. Thank God I bought the tickets before. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm gonna fall.
We are.
I feel like I'm about to lose a tooth. I can. Skate. Alright guys, we are officially done with the ice rink. Cause
I was doing fine.
I was doing fine too at the end, but my feet hurts. Like
My feet are freezing.
I think I have one feet, it's flat, and that's why it hurts the whole time. But it's pretty packed. Like even if I wanted to, you can really skate. Look how cool. Yeah. But now we are going to the magical ice kingdom. Oh my god! I didn't know the magical ice kingdom is at the end of the other world, and we're running in like 6 minutes through the whole winter wonderland, and it's fall. I show you guys the cart.